Greetings, welcome to Omnisend updates occurring on a monthly basis. I'm Arnas and I've just had my morning caffeinated beverage, so excuse me if I feel too enthusiastic. We've made some improvements of considerable magnitude this month. I'll go over them now at a responsible pace. So feel free to recline in your chair or partake in whichever practice that enhances your concentration most effectively. Let's proceed. In campaigns and automations, two captivating events had transpired. First, recently viewed products. If you're on a standard plan, you can now add this as an add-on. Before it was for pro users only, but now it's available to more people without unique plans. It shows each customer what they last browsed, so let them wonder how you knew. You don't need to say we've been watching, just let the product do the work. Also, if you're sending SMS, you can now use branded short links. You pick the domain, it shows up in the message. That way, the link looks like it came from you, and not from someone trying to steal your credit card. Two updates, both are demonstrably advantageous in their respective functionalities. No applause necessary, let us advance. Segments just got easier to manage. You can archive them now. If something's outdated but you don't want to rm-f it forever, just put it away. It'll stay out of sight. And if you change your mind later, one click brings it back. For SMS senders in Texas, there's a ready-made segment that helps you stay compliant with the new state rules. No manual sorting, it's already there, labeled, and ready to exclude. Well, the script says, "Yeehaw, partner." I don't know what that means. And for anyone migrating from Yotpo on Shopify, contact syncing is now automatic. One click from your dashboard and it's handled. That's it. Segment Feng Shui. I'm in possession of a black belt, by the way. Don't break your SMS flow. That would be mildly disruptive. If you're already using a toll-free number, you can now transfer it directly into Omnisend. No need to switch numbers or interrupt what's already working. Your messages keep going out, just managed in one place. Orderly, methodical. We added 3 new apps this month. All exceptional, all functional. Firstly, with integrations, now in the app market. A no-code WordPress plugin that connects over 290 platforms. Webhooks, multi-site, conditional logic, you get it. Or you will once you click it. Next, Boost Pop, a pop-up and a banner tool for collecting email and SMS opt-ins. It supports advanced targeting like exit intent, time delays, and traffic sources, and it plugs straight into Omnisend audiences. And finally, Lantern AI Quiz Builder. It guides customers through a quick quiz and recommends products based on their answers. You can start with a template or let the AI make one for you. Then store the answers as custom properties in Omnisend. Exemplary. And that concludes the updates for September. Your perpetual engagement, whether full visual attention or partial observation, concurrent with secondary activities, has been duly recorded. Said behavior data shall be incorporated into the evaluative matrix for the subsequent compilation of product augmentations in the forthcoming lunar cycle. Until that juncture, farewell.